Order for what to say? Me ho ye, me so me ho ye pa. Mama akwa ba mra Adom TV. Me gina Adom TV adwumako nyina eso da wa asese wa pemre ehwe yen. And then there's also the policies that make your life better. Baako ye use positive self-talk. Ya na we ni pedie, ya na wadwene proso. Enoma ebe wadwene proso bebre ya beguro. E fe negative. Enkomo a wudi wo wadwene proso no e na ekenya wo. E fe ni inner dialogue. Ana neuro linguistic programming. Enoma ya wo kan wadwene proso. Metimi ayo, mentimi nye, me ho fe, me onye fe, me se fata, we wa san semo ya wo kan wadwene proso. Eno na ye fe ni inner dialogue. Enti ya na wahwe nkomodi a opeso ye dia ye a hwe nkomodi a wodi wadwen proso mi kunu ni suban mi kudi onipa boni o me so menye me maya sei san nkomodi na wodwen proso no e kenya abrabo enti jai nkomodi a wodi a ensem fata na di nkomodi a eye positive. Your inner dialogue is often negative. They are often self-limiting, and you need to ensure that your inner dialogue must be your best friend. When someone can go out in person a bit my town for amount, I become washe. And then someone can go out in person, but down for pa, but show and crying. And it can sempa, can someone be show and crying. Needless to say, you need to be realistic. Simple who show whom crying I can sempa. No be sa on say idea me koye mi wa kan de. No hwe hunu. Who nim de. No nyansa metimi de ayo na ye nyansa ka metimi ayo. All things are possible, yes. But do I have what it takes to make it right? And you know, we show unkran we are not bisa on say me wa kan de. Be real and build upon your limitations. When you find there's a lack in your knowledge, when you find there's a lack in your sense of understanding, when you find there's a lack in an attitude, improve upon it. And then tell yourself a story of how you can make it better. Talk to yourself as if you are listening to somebody else. Wono honkasa, adie we metimi ayo. Se me sua dia metimi ayo. Se me pa kadia ya metimi ayo. Talk to yourself and tell yourself you can do it based on acquiring the knowledge you need to have. Minia, so no honkasa jina your friend be mirror phenomena. Ya hwenim na kachira ho sempa. The next one is the sixth policy is to surround yourself with positive influences. Wonam for anu mbuko shata frɛ. Anyuma wotatie. TV programs a wohwɛ. News a wotatie. Ebetimi aka wahye. Empo ebetimi akenya wo. Nti ya na wahwɛ nneoma a utie. Nneoma a wohwɛ anyone a oni on boko shata frɛ. Nyonko bi eye de sin onua. Nyonko bi eye bonsam. Ana nyonko bi empo nyankopon. Nyonko bi ye poison. Nyonko bi ye bojaduro. Nyehunu nyonko aye poison na gya na chidie na ni nu to na montuo. Na pe nyonko aye bojaduro a obehye omoja edin. You need to seek people who can let you grow and create a positive mind on your own. Get good friends. Get good mentors. And penia wadum pempenso a wonim yo. Kokona kosumo na se na wo mo a pe woni a wo suahunu edi nyansa sabe nya sofo bia na sofo sofo bia ndede sofo enko no nkoja kan kire pe nia wapo enya politician bia na politician papa obo oye pe segom nkunya obe yusu eja ho pe nia obehye wo nkuran no aye so ono ankasa pe nia obehye wo nkuran no wabu atra ba bi owo pe nyonko a obe influence you positively. Don't look for toxic influences. Don't look for people who influence you toxically. Look for people who can make you better. What did I make an answer? Nyonko bi eye onyame. Fun bi wa eye nyame. And a film bi wa also eye bonsam. Enwum bi wa eye abeguro. And enwum bi wa also eye nkenya. Tie nyoma be hye wonkuran. Na pe nyonko a obetimi aka ho aka say wo ya de koso na ye. We ma kire we ye. Fa ha ye say na ye say ono ana abotra ono. That is what you need to do to be successful. Don't just look at you. Look beyond who you are and you can become better. Therefore, uye die enyina so anyone kasa. Uye de nyina so anyone a oni onto na montuo. Uye de nyina so any nkrata a wo kan. Enyoma ya agu adwen proso. Get positive influences. Ni wo we sabe obi wa cancer for me ne mfa nyonko. Obi na no kasa e sha be gro nyima say jajai. I don't want any negative energy around me. I deal with people who are so positive oriented. You are good. It is well. It is going to be better. You can make it. Me, I love you. These are the people I want to deal with. Deal with people who can influence you positively. If at all you don't have such people, you yourself can be the best friend of you. Speak to yourself in positive ways. Akosia, I'm good. Thomas, I'm great. Frank, I'm the best guy. Randolph, I'm better. Sandra, I am beautiful. I am great. I'm made in the image of God. All things are possible unto me, for I can make it. I can cross my limitations and become better. Say to yourself the things you want to become, and you can become. Send out positive vibration into the atmosphere, and don't look down upon yourself. I am poor. I am Ghanaian. No. Man, can't be that. You are not just a Ghanaian. You are an image of God. Osombo. Na mo abra bososo ensombo. So ben bi enye. Adwe bi enye. Enie bi enye no nya wo dia to kine. Na pesu bampa. Fa ya akade gu abra boso. Na abra boso abapa. Aha na meja wo. Me da asese opa emre hwe me. Ma me na empo Adom TV adwumakuo fo nyina ase. Me kan maka ne sen Frank any osmosis omo sound. Thomas any nkrofo omo gu camera. MCR4 and Daniel and empo mamenda floor manager na menda empo lighting for ase na krakra menda me producer Randolph and empo eja webe kan pedu ase wo onya amrehwe me de me kan sen maka ne sen biom no nya me entina wo kina so ye behia